In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Intercom in Framer. By the end, you'll have the Intercom chat widget placed in your project and ready to publish, using only Framer's built-in tools. Start by opening your Framer project. With the canvas in view, head to the Insert menu. This is where we'll find the building blocks we need. From Insert, navigate to Forms, then to Embeds. This path exposes components that let you bring external services into your site. When the Embeds options appear, place the embed on your canvas by clicking where you want it to live. If you see a placement preview, click again to confirm and make sure the new layer is selected. With the layer selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. Open Position to review how it's anchored and aligned relative to the canvas or its parent. Next, open Size to check width and height so the widget has the space it needs. You don't have to change anything here if the defaults look good, but it's helpful to confirm the layout before moving on. Give the layer another click if needed to keep it selected. Open Overlays to ensure the chat widget will appear over your content when it opens. This helps avoid it being hidden behind other elements. Click to confirm your selection, then continue. Open Styles to skim basic visual settings inherited by the frame. Again, no changes are required unless you're matching a specific design system. After that, open Transforms to make sure there's no unexpected scaling or rotation applied to the layer. Now, choose Intercom from the Embeds or Services list. This selects the Intercom integration, which Framer uses to render the chat widget. Click to confirm and keep the layer active, so the Properties panel reflects the correct settings. If Intercom requires configuration in your project, the panel will guide you, but we're focusing on placement and setup flow here. Open the Scroll section in your Layers panel and make sure the Intercom layer sits in the section you expect. Placing it in the appropriate section helps control visibility and behavior across long pages. Next, open Code Overrides. Many projects don't need custom code for Intercom, but if your project already uses overrides, this panel lets you confirm there's no conflict with the new layer. You don't need to write or change code for this walkthrough. When everything looks right, it's time to go live. Click Publish. Framer will build and deploy your changes, and the Intercom widget will be available on your published site. That's it. You opened your project, inserted the embed, reviewed layout and layering, selected Intercom, checked placement, verified overrides,